Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I wanted to show you some really quick tricks or tips that you can do when it comes to lesson planning. I will put a card right here on top somewhere, left or right side, or I may just go ahead and link the video in the description box that basically shows you my lesson planning process from beginning to end. However, if you don't want to be that detailed, or if you have a curriculum that's open and go and you're basically doing the curriculum in the order in which the information is being presented to you, you don't have to do that. You can do something as simple as this. All I did here, and this is an example of our math, all I did here was create a table. You can do that in a Word document or you can do it via an Excel spreadsheet. But all I did was create a table where I identified the book that we're using, and I put all the chapters in that book. So in this example, you see Learn Math Fast. You see all the chapters that we're doing for Learn Math Fast and all the books that we're doing under that title. You see Life of Fred. Here are all the chapters that we're doing with Life of Fred. And then here is a map. Here's the curriculum we are using for our pre-algebra and introductory algebra. Don't worry, I am going to show you a review of this specific curriculum. But here's the book name, and here are all the chapters that are within that book. So all you need to do is just check off the chapter as you go. That way you don't have to keep a separate lesson plan, because you're really not even lesson planning. You're only using the information that is in the book in the order in which the information is presented for teaching or for learning. That's it. Create a table, identify the book name, identify all the chapters, check off the chapters as you go through your curriculum. Boom. At the end of the year, you'll know where you ended. You can complete the curriculum, or you can continue the curriculum if you aren't done the following school year, if you so choose. Let me show you another way that you can do this. If you don't want to create a separate sheet, guess what? Use the table of contents. Again, if you are using a resource or a curriculum where the lesson planning is within the book itself, or you are going to teach or have your student learn the information in the exact order that the information is being presented, even if you're going out of order, meaning if you're going to start off with chapter 1 and jump to chapter 4 and then to chapter 2, or if you're going to go in order, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, regardless of how you decide to do it, you can simply check off in the table of contents as you complete each chapter. Something very simple. So you can use your table of contents, you can create a separate document, and you can check it off as you teach it, and or your student can check it off as it's being taught or as they complete lessons. But again, I will put a link to my more detailed method of lesson planning and tracking what we've done in a card or in the description box below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment box below. And as always, guys, be blessed and you make it a great, great day. Bye.